If you're always on the go and you need to be updated constantly, let me show you how to set up push notifications on your Jotform app. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jotform and I'm going to show you how to receive push notifications on your Jotform app. Plus, we'll be able to customize that push notification to receive the details that matter most to you, okay? So let's get started. First thing you need to do is install the Jotform app on your mobile phone. It's available for Android and iOS. Once you're here, go ahead and open up the app and then you have several available options. In this case, we're gonna click on the gear icon. We're gonna scroll a bit down here and there's a notifications options here. Let's go ahead and select it. And the first option that you have right here is new submission notifications. So if you want to receive notifications, turn this on. Then you have several available options depending on the amount of forms that you have available here. Go ahead and turn on the ones that you want to receive notifications for. Maybe you don't want to receive notifications for a few of these. Just go ahead and turn these off for the ones that you don't want to receive notifications. So it's really practical for this option. Let's go ahead and receive the first notification before we customize the actual notification. So let's go ahead and use this one. Let's edit the form. Let's go into preview form. Let's fill this out with demo data and let's go ahead and submit this. We should be receiving a notification right away, almost instantly, okay? So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's open up the notification and it takes us straight to the submission that we've just sent out right now. So it's really practical to receive notifications this way. Now, we can also customize the notification for the actual data that we're going to receive. So that will be available over here on settings. And then we're going to jump into notifications. And there's an option that says push notifications. Let's go ahead and click on this. And this will let us customize what the notification has in it. Now it helps us because you can strip away several details about the notification so you have a more concise notification. So in this case, we got the title. In this case, for example, it says new submission for, and it uses the form title variable. I have several available variables right here depending on the form that I've built. In this case, for example, I can say new submission. I'm going to remove for. I want to keep it a bit more compact and I'm going to remove this and I'm going to say from, and I'm going to set the name for this purpose. Okay. Then the content, in this case, it's going to have the feedback and I don't need the name again. And maybe I don't need the email on the feedback. So just the name and the details for the feedback in this case. So it's up to you what content you want here. Go ahead and save this and it's going to update the push notification on your phone to only display that data when you receive it. So it's really practical to not receive all the data and just the data that you actually need. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go ahead and submit this. Here we go. Let's go ahead and fill it out with demo data. Let's submit. Here we go. We just got the new submission. So let's see here. And here it is. The submission with the name on the title and the feedback on the description. And it's super easy to customize this. So please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options to receive SMS messages for notifications and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that is a wrap.